Hey, I'm Satish Dharmaraj. I'm a GP here at Redpoint Ventures. I'm super excited this morning to be with Varun and Esha, the founders of Giga, the most exciting new AI startup to come out of YC in many years, and it's got a lot of buzz in the valley. Hi, boys. How are you guys doing?
Hey Satish, we're doing great.
Maybe you can tell our viewers what it is that you guys do at Giga.
Giga is a platform where you can build the most intelligent customer support agents on the planet. It can be through chat, voice, email, anything. We are live with some massive companies who have extremely complex use cases, and the only place they can solve all of these complex use cases with AI is in our product. There's an interesting fact. I think around 50 to 60% of the people who talk to our AI never realize it's an actual AI.
Why is it that Giga's voice agents can come as close or maybe even pretend to be a human and the person on the other side does not recognize that they are a human?
There are a couple of things which are really important in voice experience as a thing. One is able to understand like multiple accents, especially with Doordash. There are like people all around the US, different accents and different languages, and having interrupts in a really natural way, knowing when to pause. These are all very minor things. Make sure that the experience is like very, very natural.
The latency is a solved problem by this point for voice agents. So the right balance of making sure the customers have the best experience is like what level of intelligence you can show at that specific latency.
Can you give our viewers an example of the amount of dollars every year saved by one of your guys' customers by using your solution?
It depends on the industry to industry, especially in financial services where the cost per call is much higher. But in general, with every big customer that we work with, they can at least expect a savings of $100 to $200 million at bare minimum. But roughly, it would translate to 70% of the cost that they're spending on human agent would be saved.
And then when you fast forward 5 years, maybe even 10 years, how do you think customers think about what Giga does for them?
What we have is an engine which can remember what it did wrong previously and it can correct itself the next time. And it can understand really complex instructions and do it in record time. So fundamentally, that is our agent engine. And that can be expanded across all kind of verticals within an enterprise. So 5 to 10 years down the line, we are looking at the entire enterprise AI space. But for the next 1 to 2 years, we want to be the voice and customer support provider for enterprises across different verticals and stuff.
We are so excited to partner with you. Everyone knows that this is a massive, huge market. So we've been waiting for an investment in this market. But the big reason why we invest in companies at the Series A stages at Redpoint are the people themselves. Esha and Varun are one of the brightest and smartest all-round engineers that we've come across. They graduated from one of the top computer science institutions in India with the highest honors possible, and then came to found Giga. They built a team that is ridiculously outstanding in terms of intellectual horsepower. But the great thing about Esha and Varun is that they are also equally humble and eager to learn. They know where they need help and coaching and surround themselves with other people who can help them achieve their goals. So we're really excited about our investment there. Before we go, maybe you can point us to two things. One is, where do people go to learn more about Giga? And second is, what kind of people are you looking to hire, and how can they approach you guys if they want a job at Giga?
They can find us out at giga.ai/careers, where they can take a look at all the jobs available. Feel free to ping me at Varun at Giga.ai with their resume if they have any questions.